It will take you 20 years to try all kinds of apples in the world, since there exist more than 7,000 types globally. Today we will enjoy the making of apple juice in the factory. In the beginning, fresh apples are collected from the farm. More than 600,000 apples are harvested annually. Then the apples are sent to the processing station. The fruits are washed and forwarded to the next stage through a waterway. Now the apples are crushed by a machine, and the resulting juice is automatically poured inside tubes. The juice is tested in the laboratory to check heat-resistant molds and other factors. Now the apple juice is transported to the filling station through a pump tube. The juice is filled into the bottles. Eventually, the bottle label is added, and apple juice is ready to hydrate you, protect your brain, and support your health.